Tasia, are you buckled in?
Nope.
Do you want some help?
I think.
Are you ready for me to help you?
No.
Please?
No.
Okay, hurry. We gotta go.
I'll just keep them unbuckled.
Would Daddy let you do that?
Yeah.
No, he wouldn't. Will the cops pull us over and take you away? No? Would they give Mommy a ticket? Yeah, so should we put our seatbelt on?
No.
Please?
No.
We can't move the car. It won't work until you're buckled in.
I'll keep the bottom unbuckled.
No, the bottom has to be buckled too. All of it does. Would you like me to help you now?
No thanks. Then the officers will take me away. Then I won't be my good.
Oh
Lock
no.
me up.
Oh, they'll lock you up?
Yeah.
Oh man, I'd better buckle you in then, huh?
No thanks. They'll pull me over and they'll drag me.
Really?
And they will lock me up.
Oh
And I have a key and then they will knock me up.
no. Oh, well then you better buckle up in your seatbelt so that doesn't happen.
The officers are almost here.
Are they coming?
No,
Oh.
they're almost here. I need your help, Cammy.
Well, can Mommy help you? I can? Alright, wave bye to the camera.
Bye, Cammy.